This is your host, Jack McKeag. I want to go into particularly a mistake people are making when they're beating foreclosure. They're working to beat foreclosure with a bulletproof trust, okay? I want to outline a mistake that people are doing that I I can't believe I have to say. But here we go. Okay, so you're putting the property into the trust, right? Means Jesus Christ owns it, right? Not you. The trust owns it, your trustee. It's not your property. It's no longer your property. It never was. It was in your person's name, and the bank had a mortgage on it. It was never your property. It's never going to be your property. It's Jesus Christ's property if you put it in a trust. Your trustee. You have access to it. You're the manager of the property, etc. So, if you put up a notice on the door that says no one can be there, except for by, written authority from you, the trustee, and you let people on that property without written authority, you broke the notice. You broke the notice. Do you see? You can't have anyone there without written permission. This has happened in several cases now. And I can't, you put up the notice that says someone can't be there without written permission, and you as trustee allow people there without written permission. Okay, that's on you. You're going to lose the home. I mean, can't you read, it's two sentences. Can't you read that one sentence that says no one can be there? This has happened in two cases now. It took me a while to get to the bottom of why this happened. One, the individual got the house, hey, everything's good, and they let some homeless friends in. Well, as soon as the police came, one of the homeless friends was possessed, went straight to the door, opened the door, that was that, okay? The police came in. You see, you gave access as trustee without written permission to someone to be there. So then you're saying, hey, it's okay, everybody's fine to come. You blew it. You broke the whole method of keeping police out. You blew it. You broke your notice yourself as trustee. You are the one to blame for that problem. Do you see? You created it by not following the simplest notice that could possibly be written on a door. You didn't follow it. The other one, oh, the wife was too scared to sign. Okay. Well, you're with Satan, so that was that. Okay? Police are like, come in, oh, they're apologetic. Sorry, they know the guy's with God, but, you're in here with the Satanist, your quote wife, that you got to, joined with under the In God We Trust. They're with Satan. So that's the end of that one. And this is going to keep happening. If, the trustee puts up the notice and they say, hey, come on by, everybody, without written permission, well, guess what? The police will be the next ones by. Satan sees everything just as God does. And they're like, oh, you broke the rule, head on down. The police work for Satan, obviously. They wear a pentagram. Okay, in God we trust. Right? As soon as you let someone in, they know. Satan tells them, oh, hey, guess what? Go down to that house and take it. They broke the notice. Okay? Jesus Christ is all powerful. You give the property to Jesus Christ. You simply don't allow anyone else on the property that hasn't signed the trust. And this isn't, you have to take this literally. So let's say someone else signs another bulletproof trust. Let's say me. I come to visit your property, and I come on without written permission, even though I signed another bulletproof trust. Same problem. Same problem even if it's me. You broke the notice. Do you see? If you just quit doing that, people, it will work every time. Read the notice, follow the notice, you're the trustee. How hard can this be? I mean, get everyone out of there that's, a Satanist. You won't sign the trust? Oh, okay, get out. Leave. Go away. I don't want you here. Oh, they're, quote, family? You're not with Jesus Christ. How could they be family of yours or anyone's? You see, this families are a hoax. God is first. Okay, God first, anyone else second. That's the way it works. So if they don't take God first, who cares if they're, quote, in your family? That doesn't matter at all. It doesn't matter. They can't be there. Go away. Leave. Goodbye. Get out of here. Or you have to go. Oh, I'm staying. Okay, well, this method won't work for that house then, because you've already got a Satanist installed in there. And there's no solution for you. You go somewhere else. Okay? Try it somewhere else. Won't work. A Satanist physically being inside of it, well, that undoes the whole thing. What do they say? Possession is 9/10 of the law. And they mean possession by what God? They don't mean possession like you're physically possessing it. They mean possession by Satan or possession by Jesus Christ. Possession is the law. Who are you possessed by? That's the law. And it's on your door. And if you don't follow what you yourself wrote on the door, you're going to lose the house. I cannot believe I have to explain this to every single individual that puts this notice up. Can't you read it? I mean, please. It always works. Always works. It always works if you just follow it. It's 2 sentences and you can't follow it? Please, people. A free house. Okay, free. No more mortgage, no more property taxes. And all you have to do is follow 2 sentences. How hard can that be? Please, I'm tired of these emails and phone calls. Oh, I lost the house because I was a Satanist in there. Well, that's not on me. That's on you. Okay. Please. Okay, this work is so simple. Okay? The devil is a liar. Nothing the devil or anyone says matters. Okay? It doesn't matter. If they're trustworthy, fine. And I would have them sign a trust to find out if they are or not. Otherwise, don't come on this property. Why would you have them there? Oh, but they're this, they're that, whatever. I mean, you can give a temporary written pass to someone that has to come fix something, maybe, in a special circumstance. Written permission. Okay? Okay? That's what the notice says. It doesn't say everyone has to be directly with Jesus Christ. It doesn't even say that. It says they need written permission. And you can rescind that permission. Here's your written permission for 1 hour. Go fix it. And then you leave. Qualified written permission. A time. You can be here, or you can be here to fix this pipe today. Okay? This written permission, you as trustee define it. Okay? This has the power of God behind it. Jesus Christ is backing you. There is nothing that the government can do on the other side unless you yourself undo this notice. So please, take this seriously and take the notice seriously and just follow it. If you do, everything's going to be happy, fine, no problems on your end, okay? I don't want any problems for anyone. Follow the notice you yourself put on the door. Follow it word for word. Give individuals written permission. That is pretty simple, okay? You can't just be like, come on in. No. Not your house. Jesus Christ real estate, okay? All right. Please, this technology is so simple, okay? But you have to follow it. All right. God bless you one and all in the name of Jesus Christ.